Commercial. I'm very excited to share this particular property with you. I've got an office complex that's just become available. It's 220 squares that is situated in Bedfordview. This is definitely A-grade offices, and so I want to share this office with you. I want to show you what's here, and I'm quickly just going to take you through. I'm going to just swap the camera so you can have a look, quick squiz. So this is the exterior of the offices. Covered parking with some gardens, as you can see there. And then I want to take you just on a journey. So going up the stairs into the office area, you can see there's more gardens. You can have a good view of the gardens. Some covered parking there in the background. And then we're going into the main area here. As you can see, this is the reception area. 220 squares. In total. Beautiful reception area with the entrance there. Yes, so 220 squares of office space with 10 parking bays, combination of basement parking, covered parking and open parking for staff and visitors. So these offices are available for immediately, of course. There's no tenant in here. Based in Bedfordview, as I said, and it's very close to the N3 on and off ramp, which then obviously goes through to Galulis or Germiston, which then services the south of Johannesburg and the north of Joburg. So I'm going to just take you further on the journey, and I'll give you more updates of what this property entails. So okay, so on through here we have a big open area, as you can see there, big nice open area. Going through from the reception area onto the side here, you've got two offices coming off the reception area. And then you've got a nice big open area too. In the distance you can see there's an offices, and then on the side here, just behind this wall, there's another office. But I want to just quickly show you the kitchen, which is over here. So you can put a nice fridge on just behind this wall here, microwave on the top there, and of course you've got ample cupboard space. If you go through here, we have ladies' gents, a little bit dark in here, but sorry. So we got ladies' gents, and there's a basin through here, just at the back there. All right. And then we have the gents toilets with a urinal, as you can see there, and then basin at the back there. All right. Going back into the main area of the office. So coming from the kitchen and the toilet, going back into the main office area. On the side here, you've got your offices, which is big enough for, in HR, maybe sales manager, or whatever. And then you've got a big, nice area. You can see there's air conditioners all over this building, this property, and these offices. You've got a small little office here, and then there's an office there in the distance, but this used to be utilized as a boardroom. You can see the bracket there on the wall where they had a big screen in there, and you can see behind this there's another part of the garden. And then nice big boardroom. Going down here we have a bigger office area, and that's obviously office area for managing director or the owner of the business or whatever. I wanted to show you there's a patio here that I unfortunately have to do this because I don't have the key for this door. But yeah, so there's a patio, nice big office there in the distance. The owner used to have his desk over here, and then there was another table over here, somewhere here. And the office area is actually quite big. So coming out of the main office into the open area, the boardroom on the side here, as you can see, small office on the left, probably your right, open area, as you can see, and then two additional offices in the distance there, over here and there, going to the reception area. Over there, it's a big reception area centralized air conditioning. You can see there at the top over there. Then to the side, off the reception area, another office area. And you know, you can utilize this as a boardroom if you like. Some people like this because, you know, some people don't want you to go walk right through the main, you know, the office area to get to the boardroom. They want you to just come off the reception into the boardroom. But yeah, this could work as a boardroom too. There's a patio outside here too. So I don't know if you can see it. There's a patio there. So the smokers can go and smoke and have their puff. And so this is the office. This is the office I wanted to show you. If this would interest you, please contact me for a viewing. Should you know of somebody that actually you think could benefit from this office, share this office and like this office on Facebook so we can get some mileage. Yeah, that's me, Dion from Rawson Commercial. I'm based in Alberton, but I operate in the east of Joburg as well as the south. In fact, the whole of Gauteng, basically. So I specialize in commercial and industrial real estate, and I do, of course, retail space too, and then vacant land. There's a lot of vacant land that's up for grabs that I sell, and that's within the whole of Gauteng, but mainly specializing within the east of Joburg and the south of Joburg. So feel free to give me a call. Feel free to make an appointment should you want to review this. This, in my opinion, is not an investment property, purely because there's no tenant here. This is more for owner occupation. But I think this is value for money. Selling price is between 3.5 to 4, just over 4 million, if I remember correctly. And definitely a good opportunity here. What I like about this particular facility is it's got its own toilets and kitchen. Not all these facilities, there's very few, and this is the area that I operate in, there's very few offices, commercial space that's for sale, whereby you can buy an office that's got its own toilets. It's normally shared communal offices, and often the kitchens too. Sometimes most of them actually do have their own kitchens, but not always all of them have their own toilets. So this is a unique buy as far as that is concerned. So yeah, that's me, Dion van Aardt from Rawson Commercial. My contact number is 076-412-3291. And thank you very much for joining me on this live call. And feel free to contact me should you want to view this. That's Dion Friday Insights, and we're so glad that you could join me on this call, this live call. If you watch it at a later stage. Yeah, this was live on the 9th of April, 2021, and we'll hopefully chat soon.